forget chocolate eggs. This Easter, we're baking something even better. This fluffy golden Quarkhasen are the kind of treat that disappears faster than you can say just one more. Crispy on the outside, soft and cloud-like on the inside, and today I'm showing you exactly how to make them at home. Alright, let's kick things off with our dry mix first. In a medium bowl, combine 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 50 grams of sugar, and a packet that's around 8 grams of vanilla sugar. Or, if you're using vanilla extract, add 1 teaspoon, just remember to add it later with the wet ingredients. And finally, a pinch of salt. Give everything a good stir to combine. Mixing the dry ingredients first helps everything distribute evenly, especially the baking powder. That way, we avoid uneven rising and get beautifully fluffy bunnies in every batch. Once it's mixed, just set it aside. Now for the wet ingredients. In a larger bowl, crack in 1 egg. To it, add 50 milliliters of milk and 50 milliliters of neutral oil. Sunflower or canola works best. Then in goes 125 grams of quark. Mix it all together until smooth and creamy. This is where your mixer comes in. You can go with a stand mixer or, like I'm doing here, a hand mixer with a dough hook attachment. Works like a charm. Now we combine. Always dry into wet, not the other way around. Why? Because it gives you a better control over the texture and helps avoid overmixing. We want our dough soft and smooth, not tough and gummy. So gradually add your dry mixture into the wet ingredients while mixing on low. Once it starts coming together, keep mixing until you get a smooth, pliable dough that's not too sticky and holds its shape well. Dust your work surface with flour and roll out the dough. We're aiming for a thickness of about 2 to 3 millimeters. Thin enough for crispy edges, thick enough to keep the pillowy texture inside. Now for the fun part. Stamping out our little bunnies. Use a bunny-shaped cookie cutter and press out as many as you can. Pre-roll any leftover dough and keep cutting. I managed to get about 50 from this batch. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius fan. Place your bunnies evenly on a parchment-lined tray and brush them with a beaten egg. If any excess egg pools around them, just dab it away with a paper towel. That way, they bake evenly and don't get soggy edges. Put them into the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven and how golden brown you want them. As soon as they come out, give them a generous brush with the melted butter while they're still warm. Then dunk them into the sugar or cinnamon sugar mix if you like cinnamon. It sticks beautifully thanks to the butter, and the result is pure bliss. Let them cool on a plate or just dive in. I won't judge. They're very hard to resist. If you haven't tried making Quarkhasen before, this is your chance. They're easy, they're fun, and they always bring smiles. Whether for Easter brunch or just a cozy afternoon treat. Let me know down in the comments what you love baking around Easter holidays. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Dragoony's Bites. Until next time, bye bye!